guys, my name is Neel and welcome to Suhaas. In this episode, we are going to learn about data types. In our last episode, we learned about variables. There are three types of variables such as static, instance and local variables, and I even wrote a small example. So in this episode, we are going to learn about data types. So what are data types? Data types are basically containers of code. So there are two types of data types. Primitive data types and non-primitive data types. So non-primitive data types include like class, string, array, etc. Meanwhile, primitive data types include Boolean, it includes Boolean, character, short, int, long, float, double, and etc. Right? There are still so many, but we're going to talk about the main things. So primitive data types, Boolean is basically true or false, and by default, if you write Boolean, by default the JVM takes it as false because reasons, and if you want to set it to true, you can. And Boolean is mostly used in loops and mostly conditions, which we'll learn in the next episode. Character is basically a character. Short is basically an integer. It has numbers, short numbers. Integer is a integer. I mean, it's in the word itself. Long is long, like 223. Like 223 dot, etc. etc. It's also an integer. Float is okay. These both are kind of similar, right? They have single precision and double precision. Which basically means that if you write float, for example, you can write a data type such as 3 point, like you can write up to 6 or 7 decimal digits, like 3.3. This is a limit. But in double precision, you can write up till 14 or 15. Such as 3 point. So this is double precision. So this is basically the main data types. There are still some, but I include the main. So yeah. So now, to understand how to write a simple program, let us write an example. So this example we'll write on, okay, so we'll write this example on integer, float and string. We'll add a non-primitive data type and two primitive data types. So this is how we write float. Also don't forget to keep an apostrophe at the end. It's compulsory or you'll take it as an error. Next is int. So this is basically a small example on float, int and string. So first I define the value of float f1 and f2, means I stored these values in f1 and this value in f2, and I stored 18 into s, 9 into y, string a, which means that I stored hello in a and everyone in b. So what I did is float f3 is equals to f1 plus f2. So I have to add these both. Next is int 2, which means int z is equals to x minus y, which means 18 minus 9. String c is equal to string a plus b, which means that it had to add hello plus everyone. So it must come like hello everyone. So let's print them. Also, these are not three, these are curly brackets. My curly brackets are weird. So this is program. There may be an error, but this is basically it. So the output must be, at first we told to print F3, so it must have these both. So adding these both gives us 999.999 That's the output. 999.999. So next is, we said x minus y. So 18 minus 9. So it's 9. So 9. Next is, we give, hello plus everyone. So it must come as hello everyone. So this is basically data types. This is an example. So there is somewhat depth, like we have to explore more about Boolean, we have to explore more about other variables, other data types. But we'll probably do that in another episode. So yeah, that's basically it. I'll probably do like loops and a practical theory where I just show you in the notepad. So for watching those and to not miss any of those, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so don't miss out any new video. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.